So I cleaned up over the roof, around the power lines. Oops. I picked up the whole canopy on this tree, raised it quite a bit. I also put an irrigation sprinkler. See that? I buried the line. And there's another sprinkler head down there. You can kind of see the line that's buried. And now this tree, as you can see, picked it right up. And all the debris, you could barely see the container. We got about a 8-foot brush wall from that big tree at the corner of the shed all the way to that other pile of stuff that has been there, different trees and whatnot. Here's the banana trees. Olive tree, fig tree, olive tree, sour sap or whatever it is. Avocado. Sorry. I got some stuff on the grapefruit tree. I'll come show you that. So there's some grapefruit, 1, 2, and I raised that tree, as you can see, all the way up. And then here's that other tree, trimmed that way up. And take you around the back side of the brush pile. Then we got the papaya, the guava trees. Guava tree, the back of the brush pile. Easily a dumpster's worth or more full of brush. And there's a little bit in the trailer from last weekend, or a couple weekends. Yeah, I guess it was last weekend that I started. But as you can see, we cleaned quite a bit over the shed too. And then I cleaned out down this line. And that's looking out to Wellman. I cleared all that. That little chainsaw worked awesome. Great birthday present. Love you guys.